Welcome to this daily meditation for peace. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and I would like to encourage you before we start to remove yourself from any distractions, leaving your cell phone in the other room, taking off your smartwatch so that you are not distracted so that you can continue to focus on this meditation. And this meditation in particular is really good for relieving stress and anxiety. So when you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin by taking a soft, deep breath in and gently exhale. Wherever you are, this is your moment to come home to yourself. With your next inhale, imagine breathing in calm, allowing tension to gently melt away with the exhale. Inhale calm, exhale release. And one more time, inhale calm, exhale release. And as you focus on your breath, feel your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your muscles relax. Your breath, slow and steady, anchors you here, now, safe and present. Anxiety often shows up when we try to hold what is not ours to carry. Right now, imagine placing your worries in the hands of the divine, and say silently or aloud, I release this anxiety. I trust the flow of life. Peace is within me. I am not alone. I am supported. I am held in peace. Take this next moment in quiet. Let your breath be your prayer. Let this affirmation rise from your spirit. I am calm. I am clear. I am grounded in peace. Breathe it in. Feel it settle deep in your being. May your day unfold with grace. May peace walk beside you. May your heart stay rooted in trust. Take in a deep breath. Exhale. And allow yourself to bring yourself to the present. And you are calm, you are at peace, and you are loved. And so it is. Amen and amen. Thank you for joining me for this sacred pause. Come back to this place whenever you need calm. And this has been the Daily Meditation for Peace. Namaste.